Hey, hello again. Pat here with Making RV Memories. Welcome to part 2 of our tour of Ocean Lakes Family Campground here in Myrtle Beach. Today we're going to explore a little bit of the beach and that amazing water park that they've got here, and a few more things about this awesome campground I want you to know about. When we come back, I'll tell you all about it. Now, here we go. Hey, thanks for coming back. We're still on our beach tour as we go through some of the campgrounds here in Myrtle Beach. This is part 2 of our Ocean Lakes Family Campground here in Myrtle Beach tour. So many awesome things here. I didn't want to split it up into all one video. I wanted to divvy it up into 2 so you can sort of get a better idea of what we've got here. Today we're going to head down to the beach and we'll show you some of the sights there on the beach here in front. Almost a mile of beach line here at Ocean Lakes. And we'll come up to that awesome water park that they've got. You're going to love that because we do. But a few things here about the park you may not know about. For instance, all of the sites here are pull-through sites. There's no back-end sites, all pull-through. And over 90% of those are concrete padded. As you can see here, there's a concrete pad, mostly grass all around it. So the only sand you should see is at the beach, not around your camper steps, so you're going to track it all in the camper. Sort of spoils you setting your camper on that concrete pad. It's easy to level, easy to keep clean, it's cooler, just nice to get spoiled with a concrete pad under your camper there. And if you don't have TV coax, they do have telecable here. They provide the cable for you for your coax till you go into your camper for their cable TV. Now, if you may not carry any, or if you do carry it, you don't have to get it out. They've got it rolled up right there on the power pole for you. So if you don't have any coax, just something they went over and beyond, put the little coax there on every pole. 867 poles, they've all got telecable coax wrapped up right up on the pole. And you don't have to worry about taking the trash up to the nearest green box on the campground. At Ocean Lakes, you just take your trash out to the end of your campsite. Trash truck comes around every day. They'll pick up your trash for you and take it away. Just a little thing you don't really notice. A little amenity that they've thrown in there for you, and it'll spoil you rotten too. We've been to a lot of campsites now that we've been full-time. We see a lot of campsites that are equally priced, but don't have near the amenities that they have here at Ocean Lake. So something to consider when you're checking over the places to give a stay. Definitely, if you're coming to Myrtle Beach, you might want to put, as Joyce will say, put Ocean Lakes on your bucket list. Now let's go take a look. We'll take a look at some of the things down at the beach. Then we'll ride you up to the water park and we'll have a blast. Here we go. Here's what we come to enjoy. Can't beat an early morning at the beach. Hey. Oh yeah, just sitting here loving retired life. This is the best way to lower your blood pressure without a pill. Hey Doc, no need to worry. The only worry I got now is the tide going to reach my chair. Am I going to have to move my chair back? That's right. Here we go. Gotta love it. We'll walk the beach here just a little bit and we'll head up to the splash pool. You've really got to see this water park we've got here on the park. But for now, we're going to enjoy the waves this morning. The beach is fairly calm. Not a lot of people on the beach this morning. Wind's been fairly calm this week. I've left the awning out on the camper quite a bit. Been really nice. We're loving this September at the beach. Not something we've had in a while. The weather's been perfect. The temperature's warm, the water's warm, the winds are calm. Like I said, I've left the awning out quite a bit, so it helps keep that side of the camper a little bit cooler from the sun. Been a perfect time at the beach. The campground is probably 90% full, but it's an older crowd, so it's not the rowdies that we normally see for the July crowd, but it's been a lot of fun. Enjoyed our September visit here to Ocean Lakes. Here's why we like the beach. Just take a listen. Well, my little buddy's back. Yep, he's gone. Yeah, we fishing for supper. Fishing for supper here at the beach. Fresh seafood. Hey, I think we got supper. Oh, we did. Now we just need some chips to go with it. How you doing there? Alrighty, we're back fishing again. He's caught his supper. I guess we'll just be doing burgers on the grill tonight. I think now he's caught him a couple of fish. He's going to try to be fishing for some French fries now for supper. All right, let's head our way up, look for that big starfish. Just getting away from the beach this morning. I'm going to head up toward the water park. Show you around up there, huh? Loving this golf cart ride in this September weather here at the beach. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey, we made it up to Sandy Harbor, the big water park here. Hey, come on in. We'll show you around. What do you think, honey?
Oh, I think the people will enjoy it. We put some clips together. So, enjoy. Here we go.
And I didn't tell you, here at Ocean Lakes, we've probably got the world's largest starfish. Got glasses too. That's cool. Hey, I hope you enjoyed our video of the Splash Water Park here. Man, what a place. If you haven't been to the Splash Park here at Ocean Lakes, put it on your bucket list. It's a big one and it is a blast. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, hit that subscribe button right there in the corner. You can follow our journey right along. Hit the like button right there. That really helps us on the channel. Leave me a comment. Have you ever been to Ocean Lakes before? Have you thought about coming down? And do you camp or do you rent a house? And have you tried the water park? Hey, I just want to hear from you. Again, my name is Pat. We are making RV memories. Me and Glenna's enjoying our path here on the adventures during retirement. We hope to meet up with you sometime. Again, hit the subscribe and God bless you.